Hello everyone, myself MS Bahodimal, Assistant Professor from AIDS Department. Our subject code CRA 332, subject title Drone Technologies, Unit-3, topic name is Concept of Operation for Drone. A concept of operation for drone flying and operation focuses specifically on the practical aspect of how the drone will be flown and operated to meet mission requirements. This document will describe the key aspects such as flight planning, operational control, safety protocols, and mission execution. Drone flying and operations. First point introduction. The concept of operation for drone flying and operation provides a comprehensive description of how a drone will be flown, controlled, and managed during its mission. This includes pre flight, in flight, and post flight procedures, safety protocols, and operator roles. Mission objectives. The primary goal is to ensure safe, sufficient, and reliable drone operation for a variety of tasks such as aerial surveillance and reconnaissance, photography and videography, data collection, search and rescue support. Flight operations overview. The operating personnel, a trained pilot or operator responsible for drone control and decision making, supported by additional personnel for mission planning and data collection. Flight modes: manual, semi autonomous, and fully autonomous flight modes. Flight duration dependent on drone capabilities. Pre flight operations, flight planning that includes mission briefing, flight path design, check airspace clearance, weather check. Then equipment inspection, it includes drone airframe, battery status, sensor and cameras, control systems, fail-safe system. Then operator setup, GCS setup, communication systems and calibration. In-flight operations, it can include takeoff and initial climb, autonomous or manual navigation, then mid-flight operations and emergency procedures. Takeoff and initial climb that includes the manual takeoff, stabilization, altitude and path. Autonomous and manual navigation, it includes autonomous flight mode, manual control, sensor usage and monitoring. Mid-flight operations, it includes the data collection, course adjustment, obstacle avoidance, flight log recording. Then post-flight operations, it includes the landing, post-flight inspection, maintenance and storage. Safety and risk management. It contains the pre-flight risk assessment, safety zone, emergency protocols and pilot training. Then regulatory compliance, airspace law, operational limits, then privacy law. Thank you.